Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, Your World Explorer. Right now we're taking a look at these sweet potato shoots that we placed in these 2 shot glasses just a few days ago. This is the Tainung 64 cultivar, and that's what happens when you do that. So the roots have formed pretty well there. Now I want to try, and instead of putting these in the ground, I want to go ahead and place them in a big pot. This is a 10-gallon pot, okay? So what I want to do is I want to take some of these leaves here and fill the bottom up with a bunch of leaves. So let's do that. There you have it. It's just over halfway full of leaves. Mind you, most of that's air in between those leaves. So now I'm going to put some of the sugar sand on top. Alright, just filled it with a bunch of sand from my big pit here. And I'm going to take this and locate it to an understory location. And then we'll put the sweet potato slips in. Alright, I just dug a little hole there and placed both of them into the hole. It really doesn't matter how deep you go, because it's just going to grow more roots wherever there's water touching it in the soil. Now as these roots go down a little bit, I'm hoping that the leaves that we place down there will biodegrade and provide some more nutrients for these sweet potatoes. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel out tremendously. And stay tuned, because I got a lot more to teach, learn, and show. Have a good day.